Hello student, in this video we will discuss chemical reaction of alcohol and phenols, in which we will discuss reaction involving cleavage of OH bond. Here cleavage of OH bond means O and H bond is going to be break down. In this topic we will discuss acidity of alcohol and phenol, reaction of alcohol with carboxylic acid, and reaction of alcohol with acid chloride and acid anhydride. Here in acidity of alcohol and phenol, three subtypes are there, that A, reaction with metal, B, acidity of alcohol, and C, acidity of phenols, that we will discuss one by one. First, acidity of alcohol and phenol, in which first subtype is reaction of alcohol with metals or reaction with metals. In this topic, you just simple remember, whenever alcohol is react with metal, then it form metal alkoxide, while phenol is react with metal, then it form metal phenoxide. Let's take example. When methanol means CH3OH is react with sodium metal, then it form sodium methoxide and dihydrogen gas is obtained. Here in methanol, OH bond is going to be break down, and instead of H, Na is attached with oxygen and hydrogen is liberated in the form of H2 gas. Second reaction, ethanol react with magnesium, then it form magnesium ethoxide and dihydrogen gas. Once again, in ethanol, OH bond is going to be break down. Instead of hydrogen, we just put magnesium, and hydrogen is liberated in the form of H2. Here valency of magnesium is +2, while CH3CH2O that contain only one valency, so we get CH3CH2O 2 times magnesium. In the same way, third reaction, when tertiary butyl alcohol react with aluminium, then it form aluminium tertiary butoxide and dihydrogen gas is liberated. When phenol is react with sodium metal, then it form sodium phenoxide and dihydrogen gas is liberated. In all this reaction, simple remember, OH bond is breakdown, and instead of H, or we can say hydrogen atom, is simple replaced by given metal. Once again, hydrogen of hydroxyl group is replaced by any particular metal. Here all these 1 to 4 reaction that indicate alcohol and phenol both are acidic in nature. One MCQ is there that already asked in exam, that which gas is liberated when alcohol and phenol react with metal, then answer is dihydrogen gas. Now second subtype is acidity of alcohol. Here alcohol possesses acidic character, that is due to presence of polar OH bond. But if electron donating group like alkyl group, methyl, ethyl, propyl increases, then polarity of OH bond decrease, and due to this its acidic strength is also decreased. Simple remember, as electron donating group increase, then acidity of alcohol is decreased. E increase, A decrease. E tends to electron density, or we can say electron donating group, and A tends to acidic strength. Here in primary alcohol, one alkyl group is there, in secondary alcohol 2 alkyl group is there, while in tertiary alcohol 3 alkyl group is there. Hence, primary alcohol is a more acidic as compared to secondary alcohol, and secondary alcohol is a more acidic as compared to tertiary alcohol. Here, primary alcohol is a more acidic because it possesses only one alkyl group, while tertiary alcohol is a less acidic because it possesses three alkyl group or three electron donating group. If we take one example, that we compare ethanol propane to all to methyl propane to all, then among all ethanol is a more acidic than propane to all, and propane to all is a more acidic than 2-methyl propane to all. Here ethanol is a primary, hence it contains only one electron donating group. Propane to all is a secondary, hence it contains two electron donating group, means 2 CH3 group is present. While in 2-methyl propane to all, it become tertiary alcohol which contain 3 electron donating group, means 3 CH3 group is present. When alkoxide ion is react with water, then it form alcohol, means conjugate acid, and OH minus conjugate base. Here water is donate H plus ion to the alkoxide ion. Here water is donate H plus ion to the alkoxide ion. Hence water is stronger acid, while alkoxide ion that gain H plus ion, or we can say that accept H plus ion, hence it is a basic in nature. Now acidity of phenol. Second type, acidity of phenol. First remember, phenol when react with any metal, then it form phenoxide ion. And second point, that is here OH group of a phenol is directly attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom, means hydroxyl group is directly attached with carbon carbon double bond. Now one question is asked from this topic, that why aqueous solution of phenol is more acidic than alcohol. We compare just two things, alcohol and phenol, in which phenol is a more acidic than alcohol, and we are going to find out the answer for that question. Here on hydrolysis of alcohol, alkoxide ion is obtained and H plus ion is obtained. Here H plus or H3O plus, that is act as our acid, while RO minus, that is act as a alkoxide ion. In alkoxide ion, oxygen contain negative charge which become localized. Here localized means that do not migrate, that remain only on oxygen, so that alkoxide ion is unstable. Here due to unstable alkoxide ion, it try to become stable, so it react with H plus ion, or we can say it react with H3O plus, so that reverse reaction is take place. What will happen? Alkoxide ion which become unstable, so it try to become stable, so it's react with H plus ion and it's converting into alcohol. Here due to reverse reaction, concentration of H plus ion, means concentration of acid, is a decrease and it's converting into what? Alcohol. Due to decreasing in concentration of H plus ion, we can say that alcohol is less acidic in nature. Now we'll discuss acidic character of phenol. On hydrolysis of a phenol, or when phenol react with water, then it form phenoxide ion and H plus ion or H3O plus ion, that is acid. Here phenoxide ion, in which negative charge is a present on a more electronegative element, that is oxygen, and that phenoxide ion is stable. Here negative charge that are present on a oxygen that become delocalized. Here delocalize means it become migrate, or we can say it's change its position, so that negative charge that is present on a oxygen, it become delocalized, so it migrate on the benzene ring and it form a resonance structure. Here phenoxide ion is a stable, hence it do not give a reverse reaction, so that concentration of H plus ion remain constant. Simply as concentration of H plus ion is a decrease, then acidic character is decreased. But in case of a phenol, concentration of H plus ion is not decreased, or we, in another word, we can say that reverse reaction is a difficult in case of hydrolysis of a phenol, so that concentration of H plus ion in a phenol is a more than concentration of H plus ion of alcohol. On the basis of this thing, we can say that an aqueous solution of phenol is more acidic than alcohol. Simple, remember, in both cases H plus ion is formed that become our acid, but in case of alcohol reverse reaction is a take place, so that concentration of H plus ion will decrease, and in case of phenol reverse reaction is a difficult, so that concentration of H plus ion is quite higher than alcohol, and hence we can say that phenol is a more acidic than alcohol. We must remember the resonance structure of a phenoxide ion. Now, second type reaction involving cleavage of OH bond is reaction with carboxylic acid. Here, alcohol react with carboxylic acid. First of all, this reaction take place in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid or concentrated HCl. This reaction, in which acid and alcohol is react together, then it eliminated water molecule and it form ester. Due to formation of ester, this reaction is called esterification reaction, which is also known as a Fissile sphere esterification reaction. Let's take example acid. Its general formula is RCOOH. Alcohol. Its general formula is ROH. When both react together, then hydroxyl group is removed from acid and H is removed from alcohol, and we get RCOOR ester. If we take example that ethanoic acid or acetic acid CH3COOH is a react with ethanol CH3CH2OH, then water molecule is eliminated, in which OH group is removed from acid while hydrogen is removed from alcohol, and we get CH3 COO CH2 CH3. Its name is ethyl ethanoate or ethyl acetate. Now third type, in which reaction involving cleavage of OH bond, that reaction with acid chloride and acid anhydride. Here alcohol is react with acid chloride. Formula of acid chloride is RCOCl, that we have to remember. When alcohol is react with acid chloride, then acid is eliminated and we get ester. And in the same way, when acid anhydride react with alcohol, then acid is obtained and along with that ester is obtained. Here, in case of acid chloride and reaction between alcohol to remove Cl, or we can say to remove halogen from acid chloride and to remove hydrogen from alcohol, and they combine together, then they form ester. And in the same way, If you are talking about acid anhydride and alcohol, or we can say reaction between acid anhydride and alcohol, then hydrogen of alcohol is a react with RCOO minus group and is converting into acid, that is RCOOH, and the remaining part is joined together, that is RCOOR dash, and it form ester. Let's we discuss few reaction of acid chloride and anhydride with alcohol and phenol. First reaction, CH3COCl, ethanoyl chloride or acetyl chloride react with ethanol in presence of pyridine, then it form ethyl, ethanoate and HCl. Here hydrogen is removed from ethanol while Cl is removed from acid chloride. They combine together, they form CH3, COO, CH2, CH3, and H and Cl combine together, then it form HCl. The name of a main product is ethyl, means CH2 CH3 group is present, and ethanoate means CH3COO. Ethanoate means ester, COO group. If we talk about second reaction, then acetic anhydride or ethanoic anhydride react with ethanol, then it form ethyl acetate and acetic acid. Hydrogen of ethanol combine with acetate ion, means CH3COO minus, then it form acetic acid, and the remaining part of ethanol, that is OCH2CH3, is a combined with CH3CO, then it form ethyl acetate or ethyl ethanoate, that is CH3COO CH2CH3. Here first and second reaction both are known as a acetylation reaction, that we have to remember for theory. If you are talking about third reaction, in which phenol is a react with acetyl chloride, then H and Cl react together, they form HCl, and the remaining part is combined, then it form benzene ring which contain OCOCH3. The name of a compound is phenyl ethanoate. Phenyl means benzene ring and ethanoate means CH3COO. Now, benzoylation reaction of phenol. Benzoylation means reaction of whether alcohol or phenol with benzoyl chloride. And if we are talking about acetylation, then reaction of alcohol and phenol with acetyl chloride. Here, phenol is a react with benzoyl chloride. Benzoyl chloride means benzene ring which contain COCl group. This reaction is carried out in presence of aqueous NaOH solution. Here H and Cl combine together, hence it form HCl, while remaining part combine together and they form phenyl benzoate. Reaction of alcohol and phenol with benzoyl chloride that take place in the presence of NaOH is called Schouten-Baumann reaction. It is a name of a scientist. Thank you all.